Moikka, everyone. As you always know, Finland is the happiest country in the world. It's a temporary goodbye for me to Finland for a little while. I'm a little bit sad, but I'm on the way to Budapest, Hungary. Helsinki Airport is a classic airport. It's calm, clean, and zero drama. I fly first with Norwegian Airlines. I always have good experience with them. It's always smooth, and even the Wi-Fi left room. But then the second flight I fly with Ryanair, it's a bit headache, but I will make it.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes, can you boarding pass please?
Yes.
Joo, nimenomaan. Älä ikinä tule yhdessä. Would you like to buy a bag?
I'm sorry.
Bag, please.
Yeah.
Small one is okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
23 and 95, please.
You can pay by cash. I think I got fly 95 cents if you don't mind.
Kaupan päällä.
Sorry, fly 95 cents and yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you. Heroes.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Good afternoon.
Hi.
Oh. Sorry. Yeah, I'm sitting. Can I? Is that full upstairs? Like,
Yeah, you can open it.
can I put just on my backpack?
Yeah, sure.
Sorry.
Give it to me and I can have it.
Yep. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye. Thank you very much.
Here's the last.